Looking for the best lymphoma treatment in India? Explore procedures, types, costs, best hospitals, success rates, and inspiring success stories in this comprehensive healthcare guide. Discover top-notch care and success stories to guide your treatment decisions. Lymphoma, a type of cancer that affects the lymphatic system, can be a challenging diagnosis for patients and their loved ones. However, with advancements in medical technology and the availability of top-notch healthcare facilities in India, the treatment and management of lymphoma have reached new heights. In this video, we will delve into the best lymphoma treatment options in India, the procedures involved, types of lymphoma, associated costs, best hospitals, success rates, and inspiring success stories in the healthcare industry. Understanding lymphoma. What is lymphoma? Lymphoma is a cancer of the lymphatic system, which is a part of the body's immune system. It typically begins in lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell, and can affect lymph nodes, bone marrow, spleen, and other organs. Types of lymphoma. Hodgkin lymphoma, characterized by the presence of Reed-Sternberg cells. Hodgkin lymphoma is relatively rare but highly treatable. Non-Hodgkin lymphoma. This is a more common type of lymphoma that encompasses various subtypes, each with its own unique characteristics and treatment approaches. Best lymphoma treatment procedures in India. Diagnostic procedures. Biopsy. A sample of tissue is taken for examination to confirm the presence of lymphoma. Imaging tests, CT scans, MRI scans, PET scans, and X-rays help in determining the extent of the disease. Bone marrow aspiration and biopsy to check if cancer has spread to the bone marrow. Treatment options. Chemotherapy, administering powerful drugs to kill cancer cells. Radiation therapy, targeted radiation to destroy cancer cells. Immunotherapy, boosting the body's immune response to fight cancer. Stem cell transplant, replacing diseased bone marrow with healthy stem cells. Costs of lymphoma treatment in India. Chemotherapy, $5,000 to $10,000 per cycle. Radiation therapy, $3,000 to $6,000 per session. Stem cell transplant, $18,000 to $25,000. Best hospitals for lymphoma treatment in India. 1. Medanta, the Medicity, Gurugram, renowned for its expertise in cancer treatment. 2. Marengo Sims Hospital, Ahmedabad, offers comprehensive lymphoma treatment services. 3. Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon, known for its advanced oncology services. Success rates. Hodgkin lymphoma, 80 to 90% cure rates for early-stage cases. Non-Hodgkin lymphoma varies depending on the subtype and stage, with overall survival rates improving. Inspiring success stories. Mr. Ahmed's journey. Diagnosed with aggressive lymphoma, Mr. Ahmed underwent successful chemotherapy at Marengo Sims Hospital and is now cancer-free. Miss Princess's triumph. Battling recurrent lymphoma, Miss Princess opted for a stem cell transplant at Medanta the Medicity, leading to a complete remission. In conclusion, the landscape of lymphoma treatment in India is evolving, offering patients an array of hope and quality healthcare services. With top hospitals, skilled medical professionals, and innovative treatment modalities, India stands at the forefront of providing world-class care for lymphoma patients. Remember, early detection and timely intervention play a crucial role in improving treatment outcomes and enhancing the quality of life for individuals battling lymphoma. Stay informed, stay proactive, and stay hopeful on your journey towards healing. Thanks for watching. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information.